Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for the latest tech and office supplies reviews. Today, we've got something essential for anyone who relies on a printer: the Brother 3-pack ink. If you've ever been frustrated by running out of ink at the worst possible time, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our valuable reviews. Let's start with an introduction to the Brother. This is a 3-pack of Innovella standard yield color ink cartridges, including one each of cyan, magenta, and yellow. Each cartridge offers an approximate page yield of 260 pages. That's quality printing that lasts. Brother takes pride in providing seamless integration with their printers. These professional replacement color ink cartridges are engineered to work in perfect harmony with your Brother inkjet printer. Say goodbye to compatibility issues and hello to vibrant color prints. These ink cartridges are compatible with several Brother color inkjet printer models. It's essential to use the right cartridges for your printer, and Brother makes it easy. We've all been there. You're about to print something crucial, and you run out of ink. Brother printers are smart and equipped with low ink intelligence. They'll detect when your ink is running low, and if you have an Amazon-compatible Brother printer, it can automatically order Brother genuine supplies from your Amazon account. No more last-minute ink runs. When it comes to ink and toner, trust matters. Brother genuine ink and toner are engineered with excellence. You can expect consistent cartridge page yields and superior print quality, ensuring your documents come out crisp and vibrant every time. Plus, using unreliable aftermarket cartridges can result in printer damage not covered under warranty, so stick with the genuine article. Brother is not only dedicated to quality but also to the environment. Their green factories minimize power usage, and they actively participate in conservation efforts like tree planting and mangrove reforestation. When it's time to say goodbye to your Brother branded products, they offer environmentally responsible disposal options. And there you have it, the Brother 3-pack ink, your reliable partner for quality printing. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, at Product Critique, we're always here to keep you informed about the best products for your tech and office needs. Stay tuned, stay efficient, and we'll catch you in the next video.